Hey guys, today I will show you how to dive in Monster Hunter World. Diving, generally called a Superman dive, is a life-saving move that lets you avoid powerful monster attacks that would normally cart you. To perform a dive, make sure your weapon is sheathed first. Next, turn your character so you are running directly away from the monster. You'll notice that your hunter will start doing a panicked running animation. While sprinting away, press the dodge button. Instead of rolling, your hunter will perform a long diving animation that gives you extended invincibility frames. This move only works when a large monster is targeting you, so if the dive does not trigger, check your positioning and make sure the monster sees you first. The dive is especially useful against a monster's strong attacks. And that is how to dive in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.